Hello, I am Rashi Goyal and I am legal intern at Lexi and Company. In this video, I'll be talking about the custody of children. For understanding the same, it is divided in 5 subheads. First is the custody of children in case of dissolution of marriage. Second is custody of legitimate child. Third is custody of illegitimate child. Fourth, custody of adopted child. And fifth is the custody of minor married girl. So the first is the custody of children in case of dissolution of marriage. In this case, custody of children can be given as joint physical custody, sole custody, and third party custody. Joint custody has been involved while negotiating the divorce settlements. Both parents will have legal custody, but one will have physical custody. That means child resides with that particular parent and will be child's primary caretaker. Second is sole custody. In this case, one of the parent has been proven to be abusive and unfit parent, and the other is granted with the custody. And the last is third party custody. In this, neither of the biological parents are given with the custody of child. Instead, the third person or any other person will be given with the custody of child granted by court. Also, under the secular law as well as Hindu law, the mother usually gets the custody of minor children under the age of 5, and father gets the custody of older boys and mother gets the custody of older girls. But it is not a strict rule and is primarily decided based on the child's interest. And the child should be above the age of 9 years, and a mother who is proven to be neglect or ill treat the child is not given with the custody. Second is the custody of legitimate children. Section 19 of Guardian and Ward Act 1890 and Section 6 subclause A of Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act talks about the position of legitimate child. In this situation, father is the natural guardian of his minor legitimate child, whether son or daughter. Section 19 of Ward Act says that the father cannot be deprived of natural guardianship of his minor child unless he has been proven unfit for the child. Section 6 of the Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act says that the natural guardian in respect of the minor person or in respect of the minor person's property is father, and after him mother is the natural guardian of minor. Section 6 subclause A says that in the case of boy or an unmarried girl, father will get it, and after him mother will be provided with the custody. Who has not completed the age of 5 years shall be ordinarily be with mother. Also, section 6 subclause B says that in case of legitimate boy or an illegitimate unmarried girl, the mother will get the custody, and after her the father will get the custody. Third is the custody of illegitimate children. In this case, the mother is the natural guardian of the minor illegitimate children, even if the father is alive. However, she is the natural guardian of her minor illegitimate children only if the father is dead or otherwise father is incapable of acting as a guardian. Therefore, the children who are born from living relationship also come under this category. They only belong to mother. Fourth is the custody of adopted child. Section 7 of Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act says that the natural guardian of an adopted minor son passes on the adoption to the adoptive father and after him to the adoptive mother. The natural father and the natural mother don't have any right over the child after the adoption. Also, Section 12 of the Hindu Adoption of Maintenance Act says that with effect from the date of adoption, the adoptive child shall be deemed to be the adoptive child of his or her adoptive father or adoptive mother. It should be held that the adoptive father or the adoptive mother shall be the natural guardian of their daughter also. So the fifth and the last is the custody of minor married girl. According to the Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act, Section 6 subclause C says that the custody of minor married girl is with the husband and he should be the natural guardian. And in case of minor married widow, the guardian by the affinity is the guardian of minor widow. Thank you.